Hello Year 7 and welcome to today's lesson. Today you are going to begin working on your assessed piece. Your first task is to complete the retrieval practice which you can see on the screen, making sure that you're answering each question in full sentences. Your teacher will pause the video here for you to complete this task. Here are the answers to the retrieval practice. Number 1, proscenium arch. Number 2, traverse. Number 3, still image. Number 4, stock character. Number 5, magical character. Number 6, villain. And number 7, split stage. Please make sure you have the correct answers written on your sheet and then stick your sheet in the front of your books. Lesson outcomes. What? Create a piece of theatre using the tools learned from the Technique Toolkit. Why? To create an engaging piece of theatre. You will have 2 lessons to plan this task. At the front of your drama exercise book, you have a copy of the Knowledge Organiser. Here you will find an explanation of each of the skills learned this term. It would be good practice for you to look at this whilst you are working on your piece, to make sure that you are using as many tools possible to achieve the highest mark possible. Your task. Create a performance based on a typical fairy tale outline which includes stock characters. You will have 2 lessons to plan this task. Your performance will need to include all the different techniques: stage positions, stage configurations, freeze frame, step out, stock characters, split stage, thought track and narration. Your performance will need to include all the different stock characters: hero, heroine, villain, comedy duo, hero's best friend, and the magical character. You will also need to use a range of stage positions. You can refer to this diagram, which can be found on your Knowledge Organiser at the front of your books. Here is a suggested structure for your piece. Number 1, hero and villain argue over the heroine. The hero vows to take the heroine away from the hero. Here you could use still images at the start and end of the performance. You could use step out to reveal the character's thoughts. Scene 2. The hero and the hero's best friend discuss the villain's threat. Here you can use step outs to reveal the character's thoughts. Your third scene could show the heroine being captured by the villain, who has enlisted the comedy duo's help. Here you could show the heroine being captured from downstage left and taken to upstage right, which could show the villain's lair. Scene 4. The hero and the hero's best friend discover that the heroine has been kidnapped and make a rescue plan. Here you could use a step out to reveal the character's thoughts and a still image. Your 5th scene could show the hero and the hero's best friend meeting with a comedy duo who tell them lies about what has happened. Here you could use step outs to reveal the character's thoughts, still images, and a split stage to show the scene taking place at the same time as the scene above. Number 6, the heroine pleading with the villain to let her go. You could use a split stage here with the scene above. Number 7, the hero and the hero's best friend find the heroine and battle with the villain. Here, you could use a range of vocal skill. And the last scene, you could show the villain losing and the hero taking the heroine away to safety. Here, you might wish to use narration, which summarises what happens to the villain at the end of the play. At the end of each lesson, groups will be selected to perform. As an audience, you must listen carefully. After the performance, using the following thought stems, evaluate the performance. The most successful component of this performance is, an area for development would be, to add more, to include more. You can use these thought stems to help you structure your sentences when delivering your feedback. Here is a copy of the assessment criteria. At the end of this assessment, your teacher will give you a Doyle level based on the use of technique tools in your performance. Each student will have a copy of this to put in their book and to look at whilst they're developing their piece. Good luck with your assessment, and I will look forward to seeing some performances in the near future. Bye-bye.